Welcome to Sugosha Defense News. The highlights of today. Indian Army's innovative anti-tank missile onTractor, a blend of tradition and technology. RudraM-II air-to-surface missile successfully flight tested. ideaForge partners with Skylark Labs to enhance public safety with AI drones. DRDO working on Indigenous Ramjet engine to boost affordability of BrahMos missiles. India to commission second nuclear submarine by end of 24. Indian Register of Shipping certifies autonomous system with dual navigation capability in collaboration with Mazagon Docks Ltd. Delivery of 6th ammunition cum torpedo cum missile barge LSAM 20. India's first privately developed guided rocket awaits Army approval. Big Bang Boom Solutions makes a splash at India Romania Defence Seminar. Major Make in India defense deals including K-9 Vajra fighter jet engines on center's agenda. Indian naval ship Keelton departs Brunei. Israel examines M61 Vulcan for countering drones. Pentagon awards $480 million deal to Palantir for Maven prototype. DARPA greenlights Aurora Bell for next phase in Sprint X plane competition. The news in detail. Indian Army has showcased an anti-tank guided missile mounted on a farm tractor. Recently, Indian Army's Western Command shared pictures featuring this innovative setup. The primary reason for choosing a tractor lies in its versatility. Tractors can navigate various terrains effortlessly, whether it's a desert, swamp, forest, or paved road. This makes them ideal for deployment along the challenging Pakistan border near Punjab and Gujarat. Moreover, tractors are excellent at camouflage. In forests or deserts, they can blend in seamlessly, providing strategic advantage for surprise attacks on enemy bunkers, tanks, or armored vehicles. Indian farmers often work in fields close to the Pakistani border in Punjab, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. In the event of a conflict such as 1965 war, this tractor ATGM setup could allow for covert missile attacks from the cover of fields and trees. However, unlike the heavily armored infantry combat vehicles or BMPs, soldiers on tractors are more exposed, making them reliant on natural cover for protection. DRDO successfully flight tested the RudraM-II air-to-surface missile from Su-30 MKI platform of the Indian Air Force off the coast of Orissa at around 11:30 on 29th of May. The flight test met all the trial objectives, validating the propulsion system and control and guidance algorithm. The performance of the missile has been validated from the flight data captured by range tracking instruments like electro-optical systems, radar and telemetry stations deployed by Integrated Test Range Chandipur at various locations including the onboard ship. RudraM-II is an indigenously developed solid-propelled air-launched missile meant for air-to-surface role to neutralize many types of enemy assets. A number of state-of-the-art indigenous technologies developed by various DRDO laboratories have been incorporated in the missile system. To integrate advanced artificial intelligence capabilities into its drones for public safety and security, ideaForge Technology has teamed up with Skylark Labs, a US-based AI solutions company. This partnership aims to revolutionize public safety by equipping drones with cutting-edge AI technology to detect and identify suspicious weapons, persons, vehicles, fires, and smoke in real time. With Skylab Labs' expertise in artificial intelligence, these drones will provide enhanced situational awareness for first responders and security personnel, making it easier to maintain safety in both urban and rural areas. The ideaForge Skylark solution uses ideaForge's Bluefire touch ground control software, ensuring real-time analytics without needing cloud processing or internet connectivity. This feature is crucial for operations in remote areas. The drones combined with Skylark's Ares platform can detect and identify suspicious items, persons, and dangerous situations, providing enhanced monitoring capabilities. DRDO is developing an indigenous liquid fuel ramjet engine to enhance the affordability of its BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. This strategic move aims to increase the missile's export potential, particularly after the successful delivery of BrahMos to Philippines, India's first international customer. The LFRJ engine with a 350 mm diameter is based on technology acquired from Russia during the joint development of the BrahMos missile. By producing this critical component domestically, India aims to significantly reduce the missile's production cost, making it a more attractive option for potential international buyers. Experts estimate that the current cost of a single BrahMos unit is around 340 million rupees, largely due to the expensive Ramjet engine. The indigenous LFRJ engine is expected to substantially decrease this cost, opening doors for more export opportunities and promoting the BrahMos as a cost-effective and world-class supersonic cruise missile. India's second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine will be commissioned in the coming months. The vessel, which will be in service as INS Arigat, once commissioned by the end of 2024, is going to be formally inducted almost 7 years after it was launched. The submarine is armed with 12 K-15 Sagarika submarine-launched ballistic missiles developed by DRDO. Four large vertical launch systems tubes in the submarine carry those Sagarika SLBMs. Sagarika is a hybrid propulsion two-stage solid propellant missile. The first stage lifts the missile to an altitude of about 4 kilometers. The missile has a range of more than 700 kilometers. The Indian Register of Shipping is announced its successful collaboration with Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders on the pioneering technology demonstration of autonomous navigation system with dual navigation capabilities on MDL, the tug, MT Andaman. IRS rigorously tested the autonomous navigation system software at the manufacturer's development center through simulation as per approved factory acceptance test procedure. The autonomous configuration also includes a remote control center specifically designed to control and/or monitor the vessel from a remote location. Subsequent to installation of the autonomous system on board the tug, IRS verified system functionality as per the approved harbor acceptance test procedure. The delivery of ammunition cum torpedo cum missile barge LSAM 20, a Suryodipta project for Indian Navy, was undertaken on 29th of May at Naval Dockyards, Mumbai. The contract for building 11 ACTCM barge was signed between the MOD and MS Suryodipta projects on 5th March 21. Major Make in India defense deals, including K-9 Vajra, on the center's agenda. 100 more K-9 Vajra howitzers. HAL would be involved in the production of engines for the Su-30 MKI fighter worth 20,000 crores at its facility in Koraput in Orissa. A number of defense research and development programs of the DRDO are also in the pipeline for clearance and final approval. The center had cleared the project to buy 61 close-in weapon systems and high-powered radars in its last meeting before the announcement of the Model Code of Conduct came into force. The Defense Ministry and the Army, Navy, along with ICG, have also given their proposals to the government for inclusion in the 100 days and the 6th month agenda. Mega indigenous deals like the 65,000 crore worth 97 LCA Mark 1A aircraft programs are also in progress. Israel is examining the M61 Vulcan cannon to counter drones, according to the Israel Defense Forces, with local media reporting the weapon would be atop armored personal carriers deployed along the northern border. The potential acquisition comes as the country clashes with the Lebanon based militant group Hezbollah, which launched drones and missiles towards Israel in April. The M61 is a six-barrel electrically fired Gatling-style rotary cannon able to fire 6,000 rounds per minute. It has been in use on the U.S. military's fixed-wing aircraft for decades and is produced by General Dynamics. Palantir has won a $480 million contract from the U.S. Department of Defense for a prototype known as the Maven Smart System. Maven takes in data from various sources to identify military points of interest and to speed up intelligence analysts' work. DARPA has selected competitors Aurora Flight Sciences and Bell Textron to move forward with designs for a new X-plane under the agency's Speed and Runway Independent Technologies SPRINT program. The SPRINT effort, which is jointly run by DARPA and U.S. Special Operations Command, envisions an X-plane that can vertically take off and land, fly at speeds from 400 to 450 knots, and hover in austere environments from unprepared surfaces, according to DARPA. DARPA has said it hopes to validate the underlying technology that could later be adapted into aircraft of various sizes and designs. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and we will be glad to get a feedback from you. Thank you.